cloud. So what can a user do with their side? They can simply demand CSP to share the information via a control assessment framework such as the SysTrust or ISO 27002. Since they are not sharing their proprietary code, their security thing, in that case he can get the information with the framework SysTrust or ISO 27002, so that he can assure the security provided by the CSP. Now security at the level of SaaS and PaaS. Both the PaaS and SaaS platform abstract and hide the host operating system. I already told you that they are hiding the host operating system with the end user with a host abstraction layer. Means they are maintaining a layer. And what is the difference between the PaaS and SaaS here at the security level? It is on the basis of this abstraction layer. What is in case of SaaS? The abstraction layer is not visible to the user and is available only to the developers. Means at the SaaS there is no abstraction layer is provided to the user, only it is provided to the developer or CSP operation staff. Whereas the PaaS, user given a indirect access to the host abstraction layer. As you already know that when you require the PaaS, when you are developing certain application, and if you are developing certain application, in that case you require that abstraction layer, or a cloud service provider cannot deny that he will not provide the abstraction layer. The abstraction layer is provided, but with the help of this API or certain application programming interface. But you may say that you don't have lots of options, or you may say that there is no option, you have to be relying with the CSP. Or you can say, in summary, cloud service provider is whole and sole responsible for the security concern. As we read that SaaS and PaaS, you don't have much option, you have to be rely with the custom cloud service provider. Now we will learn about the infrastructure as a service, host security. Why we use the infrastructure as a service? When you require certain infrastructure. Generally today what we are actually doing, suppose we are researching in cloud, so we are generally borrowing or taking a software and simulating on that. But actual work is actual work, physical work is physical work, and if you want to know that whether your algorithm works on real environment or not, in that case you have to be work on the real platform, and in that case you require an infrastructure. That infrastructure can be borrowed or can be set up with the help of infrastructure as a service. And this infrastructure as a service is mainly provided by the cloud through virtualization. So here IaaS host security is subdivided into the two parts. First is the virtualization software security, if they are using any virtualization software, and customer guest OS, or you may say that a virtual server either they have a virtualization or either they have a virtual server. So firstly we will learn about the virtualization software. In class I already told you about the type of virtualization. There was certain OS level virtualization where you are providing the virtualization with the help of OS. There is a certain techniques, or you may say that it's a techniques of hardware, that is known as the hardware virtualization. So virtualization can be done with the help of OS level, with the help of para virtualization. Para virtualization is what? A combination of hardware version and